George is such a dear. He's a research engineer. You know how they are. Always up to the eyeballs in mathematics and things like that. He grew up thinking that women can't really do things. He likes feminine women. And I guess he thought a really feminine gal couldn't do a practical job of homemaking. But he's learning. Lucky for me, they've developed so many lovely new feminine ideas in kitchen styling. Classic, sculptured, sheer look styling of refrigerators is a definite compliment to a woman. And here's a kitchen planning idea I like. A refrigeration center. Food freezer and refrigerator facing each other within arm's reach. Of course, I don't let George know how easy homemaking has become with modern equipment. Defrosting used to be a messy routine, but no more. Freezer and refrigerator are both frost-proof. The idea of placing the children's playroom adjacent to the kitchen is a happy example of thoughtful, efficient planning. The table folds up out of the way when you want space and comes down for meals or when the little ones want to play games or watch TV. Well, you put the laundry equipment in there and you have a perfect place to keep an eye on the children while you get things done. George loves convenience, like all men, with things like getting ice cubes, for instance. Somebody had a wonderful idea about an ice ejector. Quick flip, and your cubes drop into the handy server. Thanks to home freezers, there's no such thing as leftovers to bore the family 2 or 3 times in a row. Now it's plan-overs. Well, like large pieces of roast that you can bring out and slice up next week or next month. Casserole is always a surefire hit. Freeze the food in a foil-lined casserole, then remove and package in a freezer wrap for storing. That way, you don't tie up dishes in the freezer. Real homemade soup is a treat rarely served because it takes so long to make. But with a freezer, you can make a large quantity when you have the time and then freeze the extra in individual or family servings. When you're preparing spaghetti sauce, it's just as easy to make a double recipe. Freeze the extra and save it for an Italian treat. When you have a food freezer, you get some unusual requests for storage. The top layer of my kid sister's wedding cake, waiting to be eaten on a special occasion, her first anniversary. A food freezer opens a whole new world of wonderful treats for children. It's like a magic box of Wonderland. A comical Mickey Mouse can be in storage. It's a ball of ice cream with chocolate cookie ears. And here's another freezer treat, a dainty little angel, a cone of ice cream with a marshmallow head and foil wings and halo. They can be prepared well in advance of need, and you spare yourself the hustle and bustle when the party is actually going on. A gumdrop bouquet will be oohed and awed at any small fry party. All you need is ice cream cup cones, cookie crumbs, and gumdrops. And of course, a frost-proof freezer. Yes, our kitchen is a feminine thing. And more than ever, the center of family life with the things we have available today. It's the place a man looks forward to at the end of a hard day's work. The new feminine ideas in kitchens, the new things to use, the new things to do, make it a place of enduring pleasure and adventure.